Hi, good morning, everybody. It's probably Monday at this point, even though I'm recording this video on Sunday. I wanted to go ahead and show you how to complete your TDQs for the stranger. When you go to Google Classroom, you're going to open up a document. It's going to make a copy for you. Here's where it's going to show up under the stranger. Uh, so you're going to open up a document. Now, here's what's the important thing to note. This is your document. It's got your name on it, and it's already connected to the assignment. It's really important that you use this document to answer your TDQs because this is what I'm going to pop into to check your progress a couple of times throughout the week. So probably once early in the week and once later in the week, I'm just going to sort of pop in and see how much you have done and give you some like feedback on what you have done so far and like what you need to do, like sort of moving forward. So it's pretty simple. The TDQs are laid out right here. There's several in each chapter. And the PDF is on Google Classroom. I know that there's also a link if you want to purchase the actual book on Amazon. We tried to send that out in the document that we updated yesterday on Classroom. So if you need another link to that document, then let me know. But there are TDQs for each chapter. The first set, this is supposed to be just for week 1. So you're going to read chapters 1 through 4 of part 1. And then you're just going to click here and answer your questions in this document. It would be super helpful if you changed the text color. The way you do that is just sort of highlight and go up here and like change it to red or blue, just like nothing light colored, so it's easier for me to read. So put your answer right there, and then like I said, just make it easy for me to read so it's a little quicker to check. Now, the most important part, if you scroll down, once you're done with the chapter TDQs, there's a couple at the end that are sort of like extensions and summaries. The first one is going to connect to the slides, and if there's a handy dandy hyperlink here that will connect you to the student edition of the Stranger slides, and it's referring you to slides 18 through 22 for some supplemental sort of like cultural information. So let's go ahead and scroll down here to find slides 18 through 22. All right, so here we go. So it's about Camus' moral philosophy, existentialism, and absurdism. And there's a few slides here that sort of like give you questions to ponder and things to think about, as well as a comic here on existentialism featuring Calvin and Hobbes. So the questions on the TDQs, that question number 1 refers you to these slides and sort of like helps you think about the concept of existentialism and how it connects with the stranger. And question number 2 is meant to sort of like help you prepare for your IO if you wanted to do an IO on the stranger, comparing it to another text. And it starts asking you about like global issues and things overall that you could connect to the text. Sorry for my dogs. Somebody just walked past outside, so they're okay. So anyway, that's the TDQs. And now remember that this is the only assignment that you have, is to read the stranger and answer the TDQs. If you have questions, come see us in coach class. Remember, the link is going to be attached to this assignment. It's Tuesdays at I think it's Tuesdays at 1 and Thursdays at 11. So come see us if you have any questions or if there's anything else we can help out with. Hope you're having a great day, and see you later.